Pollution. It's a word we hear often, a problem that affects us all. But what exactly is it? Simply put, pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into our environment. These substances, called pollutants, can take many forms, from the invisible gases spewing from our cars to the plastic bottles littering our beaches. Pollution is a global issue, impacting the air we breathe, the water we drink, the land we depend on, and ultimately our health and well-being. Air pollution is a grave threat to our planet and our health. It is caused by the release of harmful gases and particulate matter into the atmosphere, primarily from burning fossil fuels. The effects of air pollution are widespread and devastating. The most visible form of air pollution is smog, a thick haze that can blanket cities and reduce visibility. Smog is a dangerous cocktail of pollutants, including ground-level ozone, particulate matter, and nitrogen oxides. It can irritate the eyes and lungs, trigger asthma attacks, and even lead to premature death. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is facing an unprecedented crisis: pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as industrial waste, sewage, and agricultural runoff contaminate our rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is a severe threat to both human health and the environment. One of the most significant sources of water pollution is industrial discharge. Factories often release untreated wastewater containing heavy metals, chemicals, and other toxins into nearby water bodies. These pollutants can poison aquatic life, contaminate drinking water sources, and accumulate in the food chain, posing risks to human health. Another major contributor to water pollution is untreated sewage. In many parts of the world, sewage is discharged directly into rivers and lakes without proper treatment. This introduces harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites into the water, spreading waterborne diseases such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. Agricultural runoff is another significant source of water pollution. Fertilizers, pesticides, and animal waste from farms can wash into rivers and lakes, causing a process called eutrophication. Eutrophication occurs when excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus enter water bodies, leading to excessive algae growth. Section 4. The tainted earth, understanding soil pollution. Soil, the foundation of our ecosystems, is facing a growing threat: pollution. Soil pollution occurs when harmful substances such as industrial waste, pesticides, and heavy metals contaminate the ground we depend on for food, water, and life itself. It is a silent threat with far-reaching consequences for human health and the environment. One of the primary sources of soil pollution is industrial activity. Factories and manufacturing plants often generate hazardous waste, including heavy metals, solvents, and other toxic substances. When these wastes are not disposed of properly, they can leach into the soil, contaminating it and posing risks to human health and the environment. Another significant contributor to soil pollution is agriculture. The widespread use of pesticides and herbicides is essential for modern agriculture, but these chemicals can have unintended consequences for soil health. Pesticides can kill beneficial insects and microorganisms in the soil, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. They can also accumulate in the soil over time, posing risk to human health through the food chain. Mining activities also contribute significantly to soil pollution. Mining often involves excavating large amounts of earth and rock, which can release heavy metals and other toxins into the surrounding soil and water. Section 5. A call to action, safeguarding our collective future. Pollution knows no boundaries. It affects every corner of our planet and every aspect of our lives. From the air we breathe, to the water we drink, and the food we eat, pollution poses a significant threat to our health and well-being. Air pollution has a devastating impact on human health, causing respiratory illnesses, heart disease, and cancer. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution is responsible for 7 million premature deaths globally each year. Water pollution from industrial discharge and agricultural runoff poses a grave threat to human health and ecosystems. Contaminated soil leads to bioaccumulation of toxins in crops, posing risks to human health through the food chain. Section 6. Towards a cleaner tomorrow, individual and collective solutions. While the scale of the pollution crisis may seem daunting, there is hope. we have the power to create a cleaner, healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Transitioning to cleaner energy sources is crucial. Investing in renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydro can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Promoting sustainable transportation is another key step. Reducing private vehicle use can decrease air pollution and traffic congestion. Addressing industrial pollution is paramount. Stricter regulations on industrial emissions are essential for a cleaner environment.